three. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Cleveland Browns are coming off a victory, and today Baker Mayfield will make his first National Football League start going up against an Oakland Raiders squad, Rondé, in desperate need of a victory.
They've had the lead in all 3 of their first games. They just have to find a way to finish.
Have fun, man. Have fun. Start fast, finish strong, all day, all day. Play with pride. Play with pride, man. Let's go.
From the gun, looks that direction, looks against him, deflected, intercepted, Conley on the ricochet, Conley 20, going for the end zone, baby, touchdown Raiders!
You gotta keep playing one play at a time, man. One play at a time.
Third and goal. This is Callaway, and he is forced back. Carr steps up and throws. It's Lynch. Lynch inside the 20, still going. Dragging Cleveland Browns with him.
He has 3 receivers, he's gonna throw it, comes back to the right, has time, touchdown! Goes to Amari Cooper in the middle of the field, and that's what the doctor ordered.
The fake to Hyde. Mayfield, end zone. Landry, touchdown!
Hey, we're shooting ourselves in the foot right now. Everything they getting because of us. Everything they getting is because of us.
Cleveland Browns lead, and now the ball came out. Raiders have it. On first down, Mayfield turns it over. Carr throws to the end zone, touchdown! Jared Cook makes the catch.
Let's go! Let's go! Woo!
Clock snap, there's a flag. Raiders say they have it.
Let's go. Hey, listen up down there. Hey, this is the confidence that I've been looking for 4 games, all right? Feed off each other, man.
Just keep getting the ball back to the O. Just keep getting it back to him. Just keep getting it back to him.
On second and 10, the toss to Lynch. And Marshawn Lynch has a first down and more. Lynch still going. He's inside the 25, the 20, and finally tackled at the 17-yard line of the Browns. Lynch.
Feeding.
Takes a snap, drop back, looking to pass it, middle's open, touchdown Jordy Nelson, touchdown, Raiders lead it.
As Mayfield gets it into the hands of Chubb. His 3rd carry today. His first one was a big one, and so is this one. Chubb takes it all the way. His 2nd touchdown.
We gotta play like we want it, man.
Carr fires, touchdown! Cook had one-on-one. And now the 2-point conversion to tie this game.
Yeah, man, let's get ready for overtime. Let's get ready for some overtime. How good is this game? How good is this game? Good job.
Oh, man.
You want that? Take one of those, too.
Yes, sir.
From the gun, going to go one-on-one. Here comes Nelson's got it. Nelson's got it. It's good. It's good.
This one goes to overtime, a wild one in Oakland.
This should be the most locked in you've been all game. Leave it all out there. Leave it all out there.
There's one. It's Lynch. Looks to cut to the outside. Inside the 20. Can't bring him down. Inside the 15 to the 14. Another Raiders first down.
For the win. Good. Ring the church bells. The Raiders are a winner. Just finished, baby.